Hi guys, welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm back with Tefal Cake Factory videos, and in today's video we're making something absolutely delicious. If you haven't seen my previous video where I explain what I do, I have collaborated with Tefal Cake Factory, which are little mini cake ovens, and they're so cute. There's one in the background. I'll be explaining how to use it, which is super simple. And the first thing I'm gonna cook today are these delicious chocolate moist brownies, which are vegan. Okay, so for those of you who are just becoming vegan or on the vegan journey, or if you're not vegan, these are so good. They're so chocolatey, very fudgy, very kind of crumbly and gooey inside, and they've got really perfect nutty texture to it as well. So let's get started. So to turn it on, you press turn it on, and then you can see this is like the cake, and you switch between cupcakes and muffins, molten lava cakes, meringue, and tempering your chocolate, and you also have a manual section here. First thing I'm gonna do is melt my chocolate, so add your chocolate into your cake factory, press on, and then select the tempering chocolate option, press start, and then I'm gonna select over 6 minutes and go. After that, my chocolate is melted. Look at that, how pretty this is. I really like going over the chocolate buttons and seeing how they melt. So we're just gonna set it aside to cool down. So first thing we're gonna do is mix our ground almonds, our potato starch, flour, and also soda and baking powder. You want to mix everything together until it's nice and smooth and combined into one nice mixture. In the second bowl, I'm going to add my almond butter together with apple sauce, sugar, vinegar, and also melted chocolate. We're then going to mix everything together until it's nice and smooth and chocolatey. Then I'm going to add my almond flour mixture a little bit at a time, so add half first, mix it through with your spatula, and then you want to add the rest of your dry ingredients inside and mix it one more time. It smells so good already, and they're just so delicious, honestly. Once it's all mixed in, you want to add your sunflower seeds and mixed chopped nuts. So just add everything inside and mix one more time so the nuts are evenly distributed across your chocolate brownies. There it is. Look how beautiful this is. Now take your Tefal Cake Factory and you want to spray it with some cooking oil around the edges, and then place your chocolate brownie mix inside. Move it up and down with your spatula to make sure it's nice and even from all the sides. Now we're going to close the oven, press the on button, and we're going to select the first option, which is the cake, and then select 20. It says 25 minutes, but we're going to cook this for 30 minutes over here. Once it's done, it looks just like that, nice and brown. I like to leave it to cool down for 5 minutes before removing it from the mold, and maybe even longer, but if you're not patient like me, you can loosen the tin with the knife and then take it out. The brownies are so hot, so they almost falling apart, but look how gooey and chocolatey they are inside. You've got this nice crust on top, and I think it's time to try them out. Okay, the moment we've been waiting for. Look at these. I mean, how amazing they are. When I actually showed them to you before, I was so impatient. They were falling apart because they were so hot and gooey, but now that they have set, they're nice and hard outside, and you can even feel that, like you can even see the, look at that, like crust on top. So guys, the ultimate test is the tasting test, okay? I'm gonna pick this one. It's got like a little nut in between. Let's do this. Oh my god. I love the texture. It's very like rich and nutty. Wow. I would never be able to tell that these are vegan. In fact, if you don't tell people, they probably won't know. Just be like, look, I made some delicious nutty brownies with chocolate. Who's gonna say no? Nobody. These are delicious. So good. This is my happy dance. And I'm chewing really slowly. So guys, this is how easy it is to make these, literally. Put it all in, and makes a lot, you know? That's a lot of brownies. So you can definitely feed a whole array of people. And these are very filling because they've got so many nuts in there. Honestly, you can have one. Almost feels healthy. You know, a little bit, a little bit. You can never have too much cake, you know? I hope you make this recipe. Let me know in comments down below if you will. I can't wait to see your creations. I challenge Manon Legrive to make delicious Chelsea buns. See you soon. Bye.